Hey guys, welcome back to this week's video. Check it out. And I can tell by the shit-eating grin on his face that he's bought this. Haven't you? Follow us now if you're into classic builds, real garage graft, and the occasional bit of regret.
Yes or no?
Oh, I was presuming by the shit-eating grin on your face that you had already bought this.
No, I don't know whether
Heap of.
I don't know whether should or shouldn't.
Okay,
It made
so
it here.
well,
It's only got no turbo, engine management light on, but it made it here.
just
Yeah. If it helps, it's got 4 new tyres.
because yeah, okay. That's what on earth is that?
And it's got private reg. And it's chavtastic.
I've seen worse.
Look around this side, I don't know if you have.
No, I don't think I have. Just get out the field. That's a bit rusty. Chocolate truck.
It's got a big exhaust.
Oh look, somebody took some care.
Where?
Was that PPF? Badly painted? My
It's
guess
just
is
a dodgy paint
badly
job.
painted.
I thought that was a sticker that came off.
No.
This is horrible.
Do you not approve, Toby?
No, the front looks weird.
Focus.
Exactly.
Okay, so this is the teenager's perspective of the hot rod, not
Yeah, but
hot
look.
rod.
Look, come on. Look under here.
Hot hatch, that's the one, isn't it? This is supposed to be the teenager's dream car. Go on, Toby.
It's got a big air filter.
First
A bigger
reactions.
intake. Bigger turbo hoses. Big exhaust.
But does it make it go any faster?
No, it sounds louder. It should go faster, but it doesn't at the moment.
So what you mean is it sounds like a wet
and
fart?
it's got carbon.
You mean plastic?
That's not.
It's got carbon.
That's not real.
There's no way that's real.
Sticker. Do we buy it or not?
No. Let me guess. You've already bought it.
Can't comment yet. Mummy's there.
I can tell by the grin on your face driving
Why is it
in.
here if you haven't bought it then?
Because I needed to get back.
Why have they put that through the bonnet?
Yeah, that I think that's quality. So what that needs is taken off and a sticker.
I can do a sticker, that's not a problem.
That is awful. Okay. New car toes.
Do you want the one that you...
So let's have a little look inside. So we've got some damage on the bolster, some interesting stainage. What else have we got? We got a custom dash. We've got a custom dash. It's got 119,000 miles on the clock. Apparently it lights up like a Christmas tree, but don't worry, it's got a Momo steering wheel. Just what every boy racer needs and wants. The back seats are all right. Surprisingly enough, there's no stainage on them. Or very limited stainage on them. Oh, that's a bit knackered. Well, at least we can tick it off the bucket list. We've never had a Ford Focus. What do we think? Yay or nay? Do we buy it? Or do we bin it off? Ultimately, we decided we weren't going to purchase this car. But here's the question to everybody out there. Did we make the right call? Would you have bought this Ford Focus, taken on the challenge, or just passed on it like we did? Make sure you drop your comments in the section below and let us know. We hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss the next episode. See you next time.